Hey guys, what's up? I am Yaqub, and in today's video we will be taking a look at one of the biggest live sticker library pack. This pack contains over 800 unique animated stickers which will make your videos colorful. In this pack, we have many element categories for different type of videos. Live Sticker Library is offering by Easy Edit Pro. Easy Edit Pro is one of the best and powerful author on Video Hive. They are creating amazing packs for Premiere Pro, After Effects and for other video editing softwares as well. So you can check them out, link in the description below. And also Easy Edit Pro doing giveaway on my channel, so stay tuned with this video to know how you can participate and win a pack for free. So let's jump into it and let's see what this pack has to offer and how to use it. Alright, so once you download this pack and open up the main folder, you will see all of these folders and files right here. So firstly, we have a tutorial, and here we have a complete tutorials how you can use this pack using After Effects, and here we have all the fonts that we need to install. So you just need to double click on it and it automatically download it. And here we have the links of all the materials that used. The next thing we have over here is Easy Edit Pro plugin. You need to install their plugin for using their pack. This plugin is completely free and is available for both Windows and Mac. Link in the description below, you can check it out. And here is our main thing. Once you install their plugin, all you have to do is to just drag and drop this .ev file into that plugin and you all set. And at the last, we have a catalog option right here. So now let's move to our After Effects and let's see what this pack has to offer. So here we are right inside of Adobe After Effects. All you have to do is go to Windows, go to Extensions, and here we have Easy Edit Viewer. And here we have our Live Sticker Library pack, and here you can see we have a couple of categories right here. So firstly, we have a face tracker right here. This tracker will help you to track your face, and then you can use any sticker with your face. So when your face is moving, your sticker also moving accordingly. As I said, Easy Edit Pro doing giveaway. If you want to participate, all you have to do is to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below which pack of Easy Edit Pro do you really like and mention the reason why you want it. I mentioned their website link in the description below, so you can check it out their packs and select any one of it. Results will be announced on their Instagram, so make sure you follow them there, and also I will post result on my community tab as well. And then nextly, we have a text stickers right here. As you can see, the stickers are really looks cool. So let me show you one of it, how it look like. So this one looks great for me. So just double click on it. Yeah, this looks really great. So if you want to edit these stickers, you can also do that. Simply go to Essential Graphic, and here we have all the properties related to our sticker. You can customize their source text, positioning, color, anything that you want to edit. So let's change the color of it. So I just changed it a little bit. As you can see, you can change anything that you really want to do. They are offering some really good stickers that you can actually use in your videos and make your videos looks really good. And the next thing we have over here is emojis, which are really good. You can use these emojis by just drag and drop. We have a looks right here. We also have a holiday stickers mode right here, and one of the best thing I like about this pack, we also have our YouTube stickers that actually help us to make our videos more better. So let's try out the subscribe sticker over here. Yeah, that looks really great. We have many YouTube stickers right here. You can use any one of it that actually suit your video. We also have our backgrounds right here. You can use if you are making some type of animated videos, then you can use these backgrounds. And here we have effects, which is really helpful if you are making some kind of Instagram reels, TikToks, then these effects will help you a lot. And at the last, we have sound effects for our stickers animation that which you can use, and you can select any one of it that actually set to your sticker animation. So all in all, this bag is a complete package. I will definitely recommend you guys go ahead and check it out, link in the description below. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this amazing bag. I would love to hear from you guys. So yeah, that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.